prefer that because we want to deliver all the goods with good quality. So we will do the inspections very carefully in this area. And after packing, after inspection, we will pack later. We will always have our workers do the package, so all the bags come out will be very delicate. And after the goods was packed into the outside, we will put all the cartons to our warehouse. We always will put the things not on the floor directly because we want to make all of our bags very clean. You can see we have our facial material, and here the gauze material, and here it is also some piping material. And also, as you can see in that area, we have our prepared empty cartons, which is waiting for packing for them to find us, because these shows which floor is which draft, and we should get this draft off. So this machine is used for this. Then the material ink will be very black, so we can cap the material very easily. And as you can see, the machine will cap the material into large pieces. And for this, you can see the material can read the cutting mark by itself. As you can see, with this machine, you can cut the large material into facial part and the gauze part, and the material will be into small parts. And after the cutting, we will get our goods because all of our goods are very clean and very tidy. If we want any material, we can get it from this shelf, and very delicately. And as you can see, yes, the sample will be made by our manager, development manager. And if you have any blank sample want to make, you can tell us your size, your shape, samples. And this is our sample developing center. And after this, I want to take you to see our office. Okay, this way, sign, and we can help you to do your artwork proof, and we can give you very professional advice to maintain our factory. You will feel like that you are in a family. So welcome to our factory, and to have these clocks, and they will know better about the times all of the world. And this is our showroom, and as you can see, we can do bags with some similar designs as a set. So this can be a series, and also we can do bags with some special materials. And also we can do some felt bag. For the felt bag, we can do with different color materials and different styles. Here you can see we can also do the garbage bag. For this garbage bag, we use this Velcro to make the bags together, and get the two bags together, so you can divide your rubbish with this garbage bag, so you can divide your rubbish, and to put some reusable rubbish in one bag, and also some abandoned rubbish in another bag. And here you can see we can do some very beautiful designs. And all of the designs are printed by our advanced equipment, and all the designs are offered by our clients. We help our clients to do the artwork and the printing file, and then our skillful printer will do this printing with our advanced printing machine. And here you can see we can also do some cooler bags. Cooler bags, we can do different sizes, some large ones and some small ones. And we can also do some different type, different style. And here you can see we have some zipper bags and also some very special bags. For this one you can see we can have this string to close the bag. And we use 80 number material to make one bag. You can mix the material to make one bag to make the bag looks very fashionable. And here, as you can see, we can do this bag. This is the bicycle bag, and you can use this plastic hook and put the bag onto your bicycle, and then you can take this bag along your binding, and you can go around with your bicycle and take the bag to put things that you need during your trip. And here you can see we also do some crumple bags, and some crumple bags look very shiny. It is the material itself very shiny, and you can do some logo printing on it. And also we can do some zipper bags with the crumple material. And here we can also do some cooler bags and some special bags. And this one, this is the stick handle, and this can have a good heavy holding. And here, as you can see, we can do some crumple bags and felt bags, and also we can do some other special bags. The cooler bag with different type, and the felt bag with different type. And here we can do some glitter material bag, and all of the bags we do very special